This video is the fifth in a series which provides guidance on how to install Hardie Fine Texture Cladding. Part 5. Cutting. In this video, we'll cover planning cutting station locations and safety. First, review the site and determine the best sequence for installation. Position the cutting station close to where panels are installed to minimise the distance cut panels are carried. This makes installation faster and reduces the likelihood of damaging the panels while moving them. Where possible, locate the cutting station near to the corner to service the walls either side. Set up the cutting station with 2 sawhorses and some lengths of timber that can support the length and width of the largest panel. Also, determine the wind direction. Then position the cutting station so that dust is blowing away from the cutter and others. Saw operators should wear the correct personal protective equipment, including dust mask with HEPA filter, safety glasses, and steel cap boots. A good cutting tool is a plunge or track saw connected to a Class M or Class H dust extractor. The saw should be fitted with a high-quality fibre cement blade, such as the Hardie Blade Saw. The guide track should be equal or greater in length than the panel to ensure precise cutting. Take the wall measurements, ensure the panels are damage-free, then cut each panel to size. Once cutting is complete, recheck that the board is damage-free. Pay particular attention to the shiplap joints. Better to pick up any damage before the panel is installed. Look for support on site to move the panels with care to the wall. Avoid resting corners or shiplap edges on the ground. This can cause damage to the panel. For more information, refer to the Hardie Fine Texture Cladding Installation Guide, which is available on the James Hardie website. In Part 6, we'll look at installing the cladding panels.